Hey guys, welcome back. So now here FIM integration once again, but we have done with the configuration in the previous session. So this time what we have to do, we have to perform the testing part. Testing part in the sense we'll start from creation of purchase order. So we'll see how does it happen. Okay, so first of all, we have to set up purchase order PO and how to set up ME21 and is the transaction code by which we can set up this purchase order. Now, I'll give you a vendor number here first. Okay, we'll do one more thing, guys. I don't know whether we have set up the material management material master or not. I think we have set up the material master, but still there are a few more things. So material master we have created, right? Now, so GL account assignment we have done. Okay, and I think vendor extension we have not done. Look at here, guys, create a new vendor or else you can extend the existing vendor. In the sense, simply you can add the purchase organization's data in the vendor master and check the document type also. First of all, we'll do one thing, guys. Why to check the document type? Because might be the number range related issues you may face. So here, these are the document type which involve. So you just do one thing. Before creation of purchase order, what we have to do, you go to OBA7 and check RE document, and here 02, make it 01 because we have created 01, and again we are having WE and WA, right? WA and WE. So here we are having WA 01, it's okay, and WE is also 01, it's okay. Now, and what next, guys? Create a new vendor. So either you can set up a new vendor or else you can proceed with the existing vendor also. So how to proceed with the existing vendor? You use XK01 and here give the vendor number. So we are having 3 vendors, right? Just take this first vendor itself, and account group is also same. Okay, company code data is already there, guys, so no need to give the company code data. Simply we can give the purchase organization data. Okay, these are the details which we have to enter. General data is already created, company code data is also already created. Just give your purchase organization code and account group and press enter here, and then you give the details here. And terms of payment, just give 0001 itself. Okay, anything else? You apply a check mark here. GR based invoice verification. Nothing else, just press enter here and just save it. So now what we have done, this vendor got extended for purchase organizations. Okay, so now in this vendor, what is happening, guys? You'll be having general data also, company code data also, and purchase organization data also. So one thing is there, whenever you are going to perform testing for P2P, in that case, make sure that your vendor must be extended to the purchase organization, or else you can set up a new vendor and enter all the details. What next, guys? The next one is then we have to create purchase order. Okay, now here we are having. So what is the vendor number? 584. 584. And let me check what is happening, whether we are going to face any error or what. That even I couldn't get time to perform testing, guys, or else I would have tested earlier itself. Level 0. So now here, okay, material. So against which material, guys? So TM00 underscore. This is our material master, guys. Any quantity can be given here, and net price, you can give any price. Give prices in round figure itself, it will be better. Here you must have to enter your plant, that is TM00. Then you have to enter your storage location, that is also we have created TM00, and press enter. So these are the details which we have given. And okay, everything is fine now. So before saving this purchase order, you just need to do one thing here. Click here, check. So if you're going to click on check, then system is saying that no message is issued during check. It means system is going to check this purchase order, okay, before saving, and system will let you know if any incomplete informations, like let's suppose certain field is having like certain data are supposed to be entered in a particular field and we have not entered. So before saving, if you are going to click on check, so whatever required fields are there, whether it is updated or not, or not, system will let you know. Now save it. So look at here, this is what the PO number. You just take the PO number. Take the PO number here. Sorry guys, I think I'll just do one thing. I'll give it here. Okay. Now, so what we have done, we have created a purchase order. What next, guys? The next one is, so once the purchase order, express document purchase order has been created, received from, just do one thing. Okay, so now here, now goods receipt. Okay, ME2M is the transaction code by which you can get the list of purchase order. Let's suppose you have created the purchase order and you've forgotten what is the PO number. So that you can get here ME2M. You can use this transaction code. That's an ME2M. So here you can give material wise, you can get plant wise, you can get, right. So even we are having one single plant itself. Even if you give plant code also, then look at here. Okay. So this is what is your PO number, which is appearing. Look at here. Or else material wise also you can get. Multiple selections criteria are there, guys. Right? Here multiple selection purchasing group, multiple selection criteria are there. Okay. Now, what next? The next one is goods receipt. So what we have done till now, we have created purchase order, and once the purchase order is going to be sent to the vendor, so with reference to PO, the vendor is going to deliver you the goods. So goods receipt is going to be posted with reference to purchase order itself. Okay. Now, so here, what is the transaction code, guys? MIZO. Okay, goods receipt here, and you give the purchase order PO number and press enter. Okay, what you have to do, you just scroll down. This I'm talking about this one. Scroll down and click on item OK, and then you can click on check the entries. Okay, earliest possible delivery date is 13th. Okay, it's okay. That is a warning message itself. We can ignore it. System is showing you a warning message that the possible delivery is on 13th itself, not before that. So you just do one thing, guys. Now post it. Now look at here. It got posted. Where is the material document? Here is the material document. So now, whether this configuration is correct or not, how you will come to know? And here, during goods receipt, what we have done, guys, simply it is going to be posted against purchase order, right? We have not given any GL account here manually, but still, if you check the accounting entry, system has determined the GL account automatically. Okay, you double click. Okay, and then okay, just do one thing. Click on display. Now press enter, and then click on document info, and here FI document. So if you check this one, guys, look at here, stock is debit and GRIR got credited. How system has determined this one? So of course, like multiple entities and multiple elements are responsible to determine the GL account, guys. So here, what are those multiple elements? Like first of all, this is going to be posted against a particular PO, purchase order, right? So system has triggered the purchase order. Purchase order is getting created against a particular material master, in the sense material master. So system is going to trigger the material master, and from material master, system is going to identify the valuation class, because inside of material master we have given the valuation class, and with reference to that valuation class, system is going to trigger what to say, the GL account, along with like valuation class is there. Along with that, we have assigned the valuation grouping code also. Valuation grouping code is nothing but a group of valuation area, and valuation area we have selected, that is plant, right? So it means system has to read out the plant also, like which against which plant this goods shift is going to happen. So plant also system is going to get from purchase order itself, because purchase order is also purchase order is getting created with reference to plant also. So plant also system got from where? From purchase order, PO itself, right? So, and even there are multiple other things are also there, guys. Apart from these things, even transaction event key also comes into picture. Before that, if you talk about Migo, goods receipt. So one very important thing comes into picture, that is called goods. This one, movement type. Okay, this movement type, there is a relation between movement type and transaction event key. How system is going to trigger the BSX only. Okay, so material management consultant will have a perfect understanding of this one, because somewhere some assignment is there of this transaction event key with the movement time, but that is very complex, guys. Lots of list will be there. Even you guys are also going to confuse if you see those things and all. So still, what I'll tell you guys, so how system is going to determine the GL account? System is going to determine the GL account, automatic account determination, how it is happening. So multiple elements are responsible to determine the GL account automatically. In that, like major elements are like movement type is there, valuation class is there, valuation area is there, so called like whatever plant or company or whatever it is, right? Apart from this, transaction event key is there. So these all are the element which is responsible for the automatic determination of GL account. Now, so what we have done, guys, here the accounting entry is perfect. Everything is fine. It means whatever the GL account we have assigned is, system is able to determine. So this is goods receipt. What next, guys? The next one is invoice receipt. But before going for invoice receipt, there is one more thing. Open one more screen here. And look at here. Go to MM03. Okay, and this is your material master. Press enter, and you can remove these things. Sorry, you just remove. Just click on accounting itself and press enter, and give your plant TM00 and press enter. So now the moment we have received the goods, look at here, moving average price got updated. How much price per unit? 100. Per unit 100. Okay. Now, and how much total stock, guys? Only one unit we have ordered, so we are having only one unit, right? And what is the total value of the stock? That is 100 only. So total value of the stock, how the moving average price is getting calculated, guys? Moving average price is getting calculated. How? So total value divided by total stock, total number of stock equals to moving average price. I'll show you again, don't worry, but before that we have to perform testing. In the sense our testing is still incomplete. We have posted goods receipt. What about the invoice receipt? The receipt that is also supposed to be posted. So invoice receipt means you can use MIRO, and here certain error might take place, guys. So let me check it. And here I'm going to give the PO number, give a date, give an amount, worth of 100 only, right? And press enter. Everything is fine or not? So look at here, this error message got highlighted. If you check here, then error in account determinations, table T030R and TM00 VST. Okay, VST means what, guys? This is related to tax, right? So now here in this case, what are we going to do? Okay, so first of all, we have created a zero tax code. Let's suppose, or else like we have already. Let's suppose we have done the settings for. I think zero tax code we have assigned somewhere, right? So now what is happening? Uh, we'll do one thing here. So we have created, like, if you guys are able to remember the GST related settings and all indirect tax configurations. So in that, what we have done, we have created one tax procedure, and tax procedure we have assigned against our country, right? So here what is happening here, if you go to OBBZ, our tax procedure is changed. Give your country code. Look at here, the tax procedure is changed. Our tax procedure was TM00. Somebody had changed it. Okay, so here is the problem. Now you just come back and second press enter. So again the same error I think will be there. Okay, so it's okay. Just now we have done the settings. So once again we have to use MIRO transaction code, amount, PO number. Now press enter. So is it fine? Yes, it is fine. There is no, look at here, message box, it's not highlighted, right? Just simulate it. So this is what the accounting entry. Now here what is happening, your vendor account is getting credited and GRIR clearing account is getting debited. Okay, so now here what is happening, earlier GRIR clearing, a credit balance was there, and right now the debit balance is there. So clearing account means what, guys? It is going to be zero. There is no balance. Earlier debit and this credit is going to nullify, and so overall what is happening, guys, in GRIR clearing account there is no balance, right? Now here, and the original entry is your stock debit and vendor credit, and once we release the payment, then the vendor is going to be debited, and whatever your bank account is there is going to be credited, right? Here you just do one thing, click on post. Okay, it's not getting post. Click on cancel, and I think once again certain error is there. Let me check what error is there, guys. So now no tax on sales purchase are allowed for the account 2040. It means what we have to do, guys, there is one more thing we have to do. Just go to, so look at here, we are getting certain error. Fs double zero, go to Fs double zero, and okay, 2040. So liability account, right? 2040. Here clearing account is there. In that, what you have to do, click on Control tab and here edit button. And tax category, you give minus. It means only input tax allowed. You just press enter here and then come back. So once again okay. So now you can do one thing. Either you can go for Miro or else we'll do one more chance, one more time. I'll try and then click on post. Now it got posted. Look at here, it got posted. Okay, you can click here and you can click on display. Okay, so I'll click on follow on documents, guys. So here your vendor is getting credited and here clearing account is going to be debited, right? This is how the transactions are going to be posted. Now here also system is going to determine this GRIR clearing account automatically. Automatic account determination is happening since we have given only PO. With reference to PO, the goods receipt and invoice receipt both are going to be posted, whereas GL account determination is going to happen automatically with the help of multiple elements, as I told you earlier, right? Multiple elements are responsible to determine the GL account. Now here, I'll come back on the material master here in material master screen. So look at here, guys, moving average price. How the moving average price is getting calculated? Standard price is fixed. Moving average price is like the price will fluctuate. Okay. So based on how this moving average price is getting calculated, so total value of stock divided by total number of stock. Okay. Now let's suppose I will just do one thing. We'll do one thing, guys. So I'll post. Okay. So now here I'll create one more purchase order. We'll create one more PO. Just go to /NME21 and create one more PO purchase order. Sorry, /NME21 and now give your vendor number once again. Material master. Quantity once again 1. But this time what is happening? Net price I'm going to give 110. Okay. So now here 110 means, so now this time as I told you, now so if we are going to, let's suppose if we are going to create a purchase order, so against this purchase order once again we are going to receive the goods, guys. So once we have received the goods, so this time material master is going to be updated with the PO quantity and value, right? So earlier 100 was the stock value and total quantity 1, and this time what is happening, guys? 210, because this time I'm going to keep the price of material is 110. Okay, so total overall how much worth of material stock will be there? So 100 earlier and 110 right now, so 210, and total number of unit is 2. So how the moving average price is going to be calculated, guys? So moving average price is going to be calculated total number of stock divided by 2. So here moving average price of this material is going to be calculated like this, 105. Okay, so automatic calculation is going to happen, guys, here. And okay, and even like as I told you that certain tolerance limits are also given, guys. So here once the moving average price got calculated, okay, see what is the use of this moving average price here. Once the moving average price got calculated, later on if somebody is going to, let's suppose If any user is going to create a purchase order, right? And then the prices they have given like 300 per unit. Okay, so 300 per unit means, again, let's suppose one quantity itself. It means what is happening, guys? Now total value of stock is, first of all, this one, like let's suppose 100 plus 110, so 210, and plus 300, so 510, right? And total number of stock is going to be 3, right? And here 510, right? So system is going to, so how 510 divided by 3, so how much it is going to be, guys? So a particular, I think 170 is going to be, right? Okay. So now here, so again system is going to compare also. System is going to compare, like earlier moving average price was 105, right now it is 170. So almost there is a more than 50% hike, right? So if tolerance limits we have given only 20% or 10%, in that case system will throw error. So again, those logic will be like tested by consultant. Those people are going to perform these all configurations and all. We have created tolerance limits just because it was a mandatory setting. Without that, we won't proceed. And minimum, certain minimum basic settings are supposed to be done. In the sense, configurations are supposed to be done, and because of that, we have created those things. Now here, so I will just one thing. Let me check whether it is gone or still there. It's there. Now, so here net price we have given 110. Okay. And plant again TM00. Storage locations TM00. Press enter here. Okay. Now, so here what is happening? Look at here. There is a warning message, price of the item. This one, item number like 10. Adopted from last document. It means to last document, whatever the price is there, automatically system is going to adopt the price from the last document, in the sense from last PO, right? If you want to keep the same, you can keep it, or else if you want to change, then you can change it. So I have to change because this is what we have to perform testing for, how the moving average price is getting calculated. So I changed it, and then you can check here whether any message is appearing. So there is no message. You just save it. So now the PO got created. Again, what to do, guys? The next one is goods receipt. Okay, this is the PO number 69. So anyway, it is going to be created in sequence itself. Still just copy this number. Goods receipt, guys. So now how the prices are going to be updated in Material Master? Once we receive the goods, once we receive the goods, then of course Material Master moving average price is going to be updated. But it doesn't have any dependencies on invoice or receipt, guys. Whether you receive the invoice or not doesn't matter. Once you receive the goods, then only moving average price is going to be updated. So give you this PO number, and then again you scroll down, item OK, check if any thing is there. This is a warning message, so this can be ignored, and then you save it, post it, and then look at here the next document, display, press enter. So it means now what is happening again? We have received the stock. Now this time 110, right? But if you see the moving average price here, so 100 divided by 1. Now this time 100 plus 110. So total 210 divided by 1 stock earlier and 1 stock right now. 2 stock, right? You click on back button and again you press enter. Select accounting and press enter. So now look at here, guys. The moving average price got calculated here. That is 105. So how it is getting calculated? It's pretty simple. Total value of stock divided by total number of stock. Right? So this is how the moving average price is going to be calculated. Okay. And the accounting entries are also coming perfectly. It means like whatever configurations we have done is working fine. Sometimes what happens, guys, sometimes certain error may appear, and out of which the most common error is like not in real time. In real time, such kind of silly mistake will not be done by people. Here, this is online server. That is why multiple people are going to set up their own, what to say, this one, uh, tax procedure, right? And so most likely the tax procedure is going to be changed. And apart from this, there is one more thing that in GL account we forgotten to apply. We forgotten to select only input tax allowed. So that is also required. Okay, there is a logic behind that, and I think during tax on sales purchase configurations, I have covered these things like what is the logic behind only input tax allowed. Okay, so it means like whenever you are going to post any accounting entries and all, guys. So in that case, like multiple, let's suppose here if you talk about goods which is taxable, so multiple tax percentage are there, like four tax percentage are there, right? So which tax percentage here allowed for the purchases, that is input or output. So input is for purchase and output is for sales, right? So whatever sales GL is there, in that we always select only output tax allowed. Here, where is the GL account? So here is the GRI clearing account. You double click. So whatever the sales revenue related, in the sense sales related GLs are there, for that we select only. Here minus is there, right? So sales related plus will be there. So that is only output tax allowed. And here minus means only input tax allowed. So these things we forwarded. That is why one error has taken place. And apart from this, the next one was related to your tax procedure, right? And apart from this, there might be a chances of this, what to say, uh, document type related, document type related, what to say, this numbering related issues. So that is why I have specified the document type initially itself. That before posting itself, you can check whether against document type this number ranges are correct number ranges are assigned or not. And apart from this, if you want to check the stock quantity and value, you can use MD52 transition code. So plant wise, storage location wise, material wise, you can check. So look at here. Now, so total number of quantity 2, and this is what the value which is appearing, right? So that's all. That's all in this session, guys.